If you have $1,000 sitting in a bank account right now doing nothing, this video is for you. Here's exactly what I do with it. Step 1. Before you invest anything, make sure you have no high-interest debt. Credit card debt at 24% interest is guaranteed to cost you more than any investment will make you. Pay that off first. Step 2. Open a Roth IRA. If you're under 50, you can contribute up to $7,000 a year. Your money grows completely tax-free. It's the single best investment account for most people, and it takes 10 minutes to open. Step 3. Put it all into a total market index fund. Something like VTI or FSCAX, low fees, instant diversification, and historically returns 7 to 10% per year. No stock picking needed. Step 4. Set up automatic monthly contributions. Even $50 a month on top of your initial $1,000 compounds into something extraordinary over time. Automation removes emotion from investing. Step 5. Don't touch it. The biggest investing mistake people make is panic selling when the market dips. Time in the market always beats timing the market. Links to my recommended investing books are in the description below. Follow WealthWired for more investing tips that actually work. What's stopping you from investing your first $1,000? Comment below.